In the previous publication, we briefly overviewed all hallmarks of aging. Now, let's dive deeper into the scientific research on telomere attrition. Number of studies revealed that moderate levels of physical exercise produce beneficial effects on cell regeneration and senescence, by reducing telomere shortening, and inducing a protective mechanisms, which helps prevent age-related diseases. In this release, we will explore some of these studies in detail. But first, let's briefly define what telomeres are, and how they shorten. Telomeres are structures, made of repetitive DNA sequences, located at chromosomes' ends. Their main role is to protect chromosomes from degradation, during cell division. But with each cell division, telomere themselves are shortening. When telomeres reach a minimum critical size, they induce cell senescence, or apoptosis. However, telomere shortening can be accelerated by factors that induce oxidative stress and inflammation. Don't worry if these difficult terms don't seem clear to you yet. In next video we will very simply explain these processes and their influence on aging, so subscribe this channel, and click on the bell icon, not to miss interesting updates. A large number of scientific studies have found that cancer, smoking, psychological disorders, lower socioeconomic level, diabetes and cardiovascular diseases have all been associated with shorter telomere length in adults and in children. Is it possible to stop the process of telomere attrition, or at least slow it down, thereby slowing down aging? In the second half of the 20th century, it was discovered that some cells even have the ability to reverse telomere shortening, by expressing telomerase. This is an enzyme that extends telomere length. Since then, a huge amount of research has been carried out, and continues nowadays, aimed at identifying various factors that contribute to slowing down telomere attrition, and extending their length. A group of British scientists studied telomere length in 2,401 white twin volunteers, 2,152 women and 249 men. This study revealed that telomere length was significantly positively associated with increasing physical activity level in leisure time. The telomere length of the most active subjects was 200 nucleotides longer than those of the least actives. Also, according to the results of smaller group of participants of this study, the telomere length of more active twins was 88 nucleotides longer than that of less active twins. The authors concluded that a sedentary lifestyle, in addition to smoking, high body mass index, and low socioeconomic status, has an effect on telomere length, and may accelerate the aging process. German scientists studied the association of different sports types, across different periods of life, on telomere length, in individuals over 61 years of age. Telomere length was positively correlated with current physical activity. This study also revealed a very interesting detail. Among those participants, who noted doing sports and physical activity regularly, for at least 10 years, higher telomere length was observed. Moreover, the best result was noted in those who regularly did sports, at least from the age of 42 years. But in those old participants, who noted regular physical activity only at the age of 20-30 years, and did not continue it at a later age, such an effect was not observed. In another cross-sectional study, it was examined associations of various intensity levels of leisure time physical activity, with telomere length, among 1,476 older, average-aged 79.2, white, and African American women. In the final model, telomere length was on average 110 base pairs longer, among women in the highest, compared with the lowest level of total leisure time physical activity. Moreover, higher levels of moderate to vigorous physical activity, and faster walking speed, were also associated with longer telomere length. Another study was performed by the group of Spanish scientists on relatively healthy 74 participants, aged between 65 and 80 years. The research team found increased relative telomere length in participants, 6 months, after the physical exercise program had finished. Moreover, these physical exercise programs also lead to an improvement in participants' age-related cognitive functions, such as attentional and executive. The review article published on March 2024 studied the effects of nutrition and physical activity on telomere length, concludes that ensuring energy balance with regular physical activity can contribute to the aging process by protecting telomere length. Despite of that, there is still a lot of controversy results on this topic, which we will discuss in next videos. Also, we will try to uncover cellular mechanisms of anti-aging effect of physical activity, and other factors. You will find the links in the description below. Subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon to stay always updated. This will also be a great help to the development of our channel.